Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to edit your bio in TikTok. Your bio is a great way to express yourself and share information with your TikTok community. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer of the screen. It's usually represented by a silhouette of a person. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Step 4. In the Edit Profile section, find the Bio option. Tap on it to access your bio settings. Step 5. Edit your bio by typing or modifying the text. You can share a short description, your interests, or anything that represents you. Feel free to get creative and make it unique to your personality. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply tap on the Save button to update your bio. By following these steps, you can easily edit your bio in TikTok and showcase your individuality to your TikTok community. Remember, your bio is a reflection of who you are, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. You can always update and modify your bio as your interests and preferences evolve. Thank you for watching and happy bio editing.